In this video, I'm going to show you how to make slow motion effect on CapCut. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up CapCut application and hit on this big plus sign to start new project. Next, select a video and then hit add. Now select that video row and there among these options select speed and then hit on curve. Now there you can select some of presets that are here, like hero, bullet, jump out and others, or you can hit on custom, hit on edit and set up the speed of this video as you want. So you can simply move these circles up and down, right and left, and when you move it up you speed up, when you move it down you slow down that video. You can set it up and see now how it's look like. And when you finish you can hit on this check mark and this check mark again. Now you can continue editing this video as you want, and when you finish you can just hit on this arrow icon to export this video to your camera roll. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.